In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to download video files. When you receive an email, you will have an HTML file that will direct you to a web page that looks like this. Here you will find a download for a video link, a video sync, and an iPad video sync. When you're ready to download, simply click one of the blue links below. You will be redirected to a share file page that will show you the name of the file, the size of the file. Click the blue link button to download. A new window will open asking you to direct where you would like your file to be downloaded. For a video file, you will simply open the video file in your computer's media player to view the file. For an iPad video sync file, please look below in the description for a video describing how to use the iPad video sync file. For the normal video sync, the file that will be downloaded will be a zipped folder. To open the zip folder, simply right-click on your file, select Extract All. A new window will open, showing you where you would like your extracted folder to be, then simply click the Extract button. This may take a few moments while Windows extracts the files from inside and puts them in the new folder. When you open the new folder, you can either double-click the sync file to open the program, or you can double-click the autorun.exe to start the program. If you have any troubles with the DepoView software, please click the link below in the description. From there, you will be able to download DepoView so that you can reinstall it or install it for the first time.
Thanks for watching our video on downloading files. For any other further videos, please leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.